What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we're going to work on the Ford F150 again because she got a problem. So after we changed out the water pump, threw some new brake disc on her, the F150 started to start really bad, and this is what she does. So as you can hear in the video, she keeps on cranking, and then finally after a few seconds she starts running. And after she starts running, she doesn't run fine on all the cylinders. So we did a ton of research, and with this 3.5 Ecoboost, most of the common problems is this high pressure pump at the rear of the engine. Since it's an Ecoboost, it requires a lot of fuel pressure for the engine to be eco-friendly, and most of the times those pumps will go bad, and that results in the engine running really roughly, and it's very hard to start. So what we're going to do now is get this F150 back in the shop, because as you can see, we're still enjoying winter time. Okay guys, so we got the F150 in the shop, as you can see. One thing that I forgot to mention, guys, is if you got a professional OBD diagnostic tool, sorry, that was the heater. So if you got a professional OBD diagnostic tool like Snap-on, you can check the fuel pressure of the vehicle, and you can also check if it's the pump in the tank, if that one is still okay, so you know for 100% sure that it's the high pressure pump. So here's the high pressure pump. You got your connector switch right here. The incoming lines from the fuel tank, this is not high pressure. This one is high pressure though, so you want to watch out because there can be some spray of fuel coming at you. So here's the old high pressure pump, here's the new pump, and you can immediately see the difference in the height of the springs already, and that is a good indication that your high pressure pump has gone bad. So what you want to do is get a bit of oil, put it nicely here on the seal. Another thing you want to check out before you're going to install it, make sure that the cam is set downwards, so it's easier to install the high pressure pump. Okay guys, so the brand new pump is installed. Fingers crossed that she will fire up immediately. So it's the next day. Yesterday evening we did a little bit of a drive. Everything was awesome. She got full power once again. But now it's the next morning. It's early. It has been freezing the whole night. So fingers crossed that she will also start in the cold now. I think we got the problem fixed. She starts up immediately, runs a lot smoother than previous, so I think we can give her back to her happy owners. With that being said guys, this is already the end of this video. If you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you guys in our next video.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.